What is the minimum cabling requirement for a 10 gigabit per second Ethernet connection over a copper twisted pair? Well, Cat5 is definitely not. This is an older standard and it's designed for 100 megabits per second. Now it can do 1 gigabit per second, but only over very short distances. Cat5e, on the other hand, is designed for 1 gigabit per second and it can do it over the full 100 meter standard distance. And this is 1000BASE-T. So, what about Cat6? Cat6 is designed for 10 gigabits per second. However, keep in mind it's only up to 55 meters. Cat6a is 10 gigabit per second over 100 meters. But since this is asking for the minimum cabling requirement for a 10 gigabit per second Ethernet connection over a copper twisted pair, you could totally use Cat6, and that's going to be our answer. It's designed for 10 gigabit per second, only up to 55 meters. And it's a good cable. It's better than Cat5 and Cat5e, and it would be a 10G base T.